Okay, the Interactive Metronome Group Training Kit for Encompass Health. To get familiar with the equipment, we're going to open up the box here. Your group training kit will include an I Am Group Design placard. Your kit includes an external speaker. So your speaker is going to look very similar to this. You'll see there's a USB connection as well as a 3.5 millimeter plug. The next piece of equipment out of our box is going to be the master control unit. That master control unit is going to be connected to your computer via USB. We have a set of CR2032 batteries. Then we have 6 wireless button triggers. And these are designated Group IM. They are opened up using the two clasps to open that, where we can insert our battery here for the wireless trigger. The kit also includes a flathead small screwdriver. And last but not least, you will receive 6 hand straps. Your hand strap is going to be placed on the dominant hand around the back and fastened on the palm. Or we'll take our Group IM training button trigger and place it on the palm. We'll take a battery out of our pack. That's a CR2032 Energizer 3-volt coin battery. This battery is placed in the battery port of your button trigger. You slip it under the lip, press down firmly with your thumb. We'll take our lid, snap that back into place, and that's how we insert the battery. To remove the battery from the button trigger, we are going to place our fingers on these clasps to release the lid. You have your trusty flathead screwdriver, and the trick to releasing the battery, you'll see there's a little space just above the battery port, and when you click into there, that battery should pop right out. So we have our master control unit, which is going to be connected at the back to that USB port. You've got our USB cable. Just connect your MCU to your computer. We've got a single button trigger, and then we have our external speaker. So let's get this connected, starting with our master control unit. We take our USB cable Mini B. Plug that into our MCU. We're going to take the other end of this, plug that into a USB port on the computer, and immediately you should see 2 blue lights illuminate on your master control unit, indicating we have established the connection. Next, we'll take our trusty speaker. And this speaker has a USB to supply power and a 3.5 millimeter to supply sound. So let's get that connected to our computer, and then we'll take the other end of that. That 3.5 millimeter cable is going to go to either the top or the bottom audio port on your master control unit. As we take our speaker here, we'll hit our power.
Power on.
See, it lights up. We're all set. Put that off to the side for now. And then we'll take our button trigger, where we've already placed the battery in, as you can see. And to test this device, we're going to click on this trigger, and you want to see the MCU. Each time we click that, you'll see the bottom light on the MCU flash, a pinkish or reddish color. Standard HDMI cable. To connect your laptop to an external monitor, this is going to plug into the HDMI port on the laptop. Good. And the other end is going to be plugged in to the back of the monitor. Okay, now that you're familiar with how the setup of the equipment goes, let's go ahead and open up our application software and open a file to begin a training. And let's do a few reps.